Welcome to SkyRadar's third video on system assembly. This webinar talks about the FreeScopes software. You see now the start screen, which gives the overview of PPI, B-scope and A-scopes. We start on the right hand side in the control panel with the basic setting. First we cut off the system's own reflections. Play a bit with the amplification. Set on the system time constant. So you see here we calibrate the system reflection, activate the threshold limiter so that we only see the peaks. It's a calibration system and you have to learn to get the best image. This is part of the learning process. We take the end off so that we have a focus in our analysis. Now we start our motor control. We have a choice between volume search and sector search. We start volume search and we really want to do rotations, meaning from 0 to 360 degrees, and we start rotating. So let's have again a short look at the overview. You see the FreeScopes software in overview mode. We talked already about the control panel on the right side. Left side, that was the scopes. On the very left you've got the PPI, the B scope in the middle, and below the A scope. I just double clicked now on the PPI scope and I enlarged it to full screen. I now click on the B scopes. I can change between the x-axis. I can switch between time and angle. Currently I'm in the time setting. Now I went to angle setting. And of course I can reset the colors. Full color, black to green, black to white, for instance. Now let's have a last look at the A scope. You see a nice reflection of the peaks over the distance, which is displayed in the x-axis. The y-axis shows the decibel milliwatts. This is an abbreviation for the power ratio in decibels, dB, of the measured power referenced to 1 milliwatt. So it shows in a normatized way the strength or the power of the reflections that we see. We could speak about the FreeScopes software for hours, but the best thing to get an understanding of it is to do learning by doing. Play around with all the controls, get an understanding of the reflections, and dive into the power of radar. See more.